Alright, there's gotta be more animals we can find. Leaping around the zoo, it turns out to be bigger than Disneyland than I thought. And that's a very long walks we ever been. I hope I'm not too lost. Right, there's gotta be a way. Come on. There it is. There's the map. Okay, we passed right here and we might be over there. So it should be over down here, and then I hope we gotta be back over there right where we started. Come on, we gotta hurry. We got 30 more minutes up. Come on. Now, what area is this? It's a turtle! Now, those are different kinds of turtles that nobody ever seen unless you're a zoologist that you wanted to grow up to be. Come on. Blossom, Yoda, Radar. Those aren't good names. Madagascar radiated tortoise. This one has scientific class name. Habitat, Madagascar, lives in dry woodland scrub, thorny bush. It eats grasses, plants, and fruits. That's good to know. If we raised a turtle, we might give it grass, plants, and fruits for it to eat. They're herbivores. You know, herbivore is a word for animals that eat plants like grasses and fruits, not meat. So that's the opposite of carnivore. Carnivore is an animal term for animals that eat meat. And don't forget that never confuse herbivore animals for vegetarian, because vegetarian is a human term while herbivore is an animal term. So you got to get perspective with differences. You know, take that seriously. And that's a lemur up there. Ring-tailed lemur, so that's what King Chilian is from Madagascar movie. Origin. Rocky regions of Madagascar. Just like in the movie, that's where lemurs live, Madagascar. So the where they live on habitat is true. Fruit. Fruit, insects, eggs. It is unknown King Chilian eats insects, but since he's a clean kind of guy, he prefers fruits. Now, where did that... Oh, there are the lemurs. They're real, alright, just like King Chilian. Aren't they cute? Oh, no offense, King Chilian. I don't mean you're cute. I mean you're cute handsome. That's it, you know, cute handsome. Not just cute. If you like being called handsome cute, then that'll flatter you better than being cute. Now, let's look some more. There it is. Colobus monkey. So it lives in tropical forests of Central and Eastern Africa. Eat leaves. Wow. I guess that proves the fact that not all monkeys eat bananas. Monkeys eating bananas feels like a story stereotype. Instead, they can eat leaves too, not just bananas, even fruits. So I know you see monkeys eating bananas or cartoons, but however, it turned out to be mythically false. So it's not just bananas, it's leaves and well, not to say vegetables, because vegetables are just feels like it's a word for humans. But fruits can be both for animals and humans alike. Of course, plants are for animals, while vegetables are for humans. But it's okay though. Like, sometimes you can give rabbits vegetables. It's okay though. Oh, those are monkeys. Okay. Oh, positively no feeding. These animals may bite. Of course, it's best for us not to feed them. Let the zookeepers handle them. It's their job, not ours. So, only guests that are not supposed to feed animals. So, you know what the rule says about guests are not allowed to feed animals? Always leave it up to the zookeepers because they got this and they got everything under control when it comes to feeding the animals when they're zookeepers. That's why there's a rule. So let the zookeepers handle it so you don't have to worry about feeding animals or not. Let's go.